This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Don't miss this well-maintained pool home. It's a perfect balance of comfort and elegance. Offering 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this residence is move-in ready. High ceilings, an open layout, flexible spaces, formal dining area and an eat-in kitchen are ideal for modern living. Tray ceilings add sophistication to the living area and master suite. Embrace the Florida lifestyle with no carpet floors, a screened pool, and abundant outdoor entertainment space. Convenient indoor laundry. Oversized 2-car garage and circular driveway complete this exquisite home. Be sure to see this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.